Students, today our discussion topic is dispersion of white light by a glass prism. White light means generally here it is about sunlight. You see, the color of sunlight is we see only white, but actually sunlight has not only a one color. It is composed of 7 colors. Okay, sunlight is composed of 7 colors, and what are they? Violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, and red. Okay, in short form we can say as VIBGYOR. Violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, and red. Then how this white light can be seen the 7 colors into 7 colors. So the splitting of light into its component colors is called dispersion. What is dispersion? The splitting of light into its component colors is called dispersion. So splitting of light into its component colors is called dispersion of light. So we see 7 band of colors. This band of colored components of a light beam is called spectrum. That means when these 7 colors is fall on a screen, then that colors is look like a beam, BEAM, beam. So the band of the colored components of a light beam is called spectrum. Then how many spectrum can you see? You can see 7 band of colors, means 7 spectrum. So, but this 7 band of spectrum, 7 band of colors, first of all, who proved these 7 colors was proved by Isaac Newton. He proved the color, the 7 colors of sunlight, proved with the help of prism. Isaac Newton took a cardboard and make a narrow slit. Slit means hole. Narrow slit he made at the center of the cardboard, and near the cardboard he took a prism. When sunlight is passed through that hole and allowed to fall that light into the prism, then that after falling sunlight into the prism produced 7 colors. Prism produced 7 colors, and that 7 colors was seen in a screen. Okay, in a screen. So this you see, first of all, when light enters into the prism, at that time, before entering the sunlight, there is only one color, that means white color. But when the sunlight, that light, white light, is fall on the prism, then it split into 7 colors. Okay, into 7 colors. This white color is converted into 7 colors. That means the white color is splitting into 7 colors. This phenomenon is called dispersion. This phenomenon is called dispersion. So now look, suppose A, B, C, this is a prism, part of a prism. And this PQ is a cardboard. Make a hole here. Okay, make a hole here. Now pass the current. Pass the light. Okay, pass the light through the hole, and this light you allow to fall on this prism. When light is fall on that prism, then the white light is splitting into 7 colors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Okay, these 7 colors are fall on this screen. Okay, then from the down you count: violet, V, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, and red. Okay, these 7 colors. Then like this, Isaac Newton proved the dispersion of white light. Dispersion of white light means what? The white light, when falls on a prism, then it split into 7 colors. Then these 7 colors are what? Violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, and red. You look, this is the red color. Okay, this is a band of red color. Okay, you see this red color is band least. Okay, this red color is bending least. But which color is most bending? This violet. Violet color is the bending most. Understood? Then which color is bending least? Red color is bending least. And otherwise, violet color is the bending most. Okay, violet color is bending most. Then this is the example. This is what? This is the dispersion of white light. Understood? So now look, rainbow is also a, you can say, as the example of dispersion of white light. Rainbow, it is what? Rainbow is a naturally spectrum of, okay, rainbow is a what? Natural spectrum, appearing where? In the sky. But this rainbow, when do we see? This rainbow do we see after the rain shower. Okay, after the rain shower. What is a rainbow? A rainbow is a natural spectrum appearing in the sky after a rain shower. After a rain shower. But there is a question. Why do we see rainbow in the sky after a rain shower? But rainbow always seen opposite to the sun. Rainbow always we see in opposite to the sun. You see, after rain shower, some tiny water droplets are suspended in the sky or in the atmosphere. This raindrop is act as a prism. This raindrop is act as a prism. When sunlight is passed through this prism, means water droplets, first time it occurs refraction. Okay, first time what it occurs? First time it is occurred refraction, because what I already told you, the water droplet is acting as a prism. You see, definitely medium is different. That's why when sunlight is entered into the water droplets, first time it occurs what? First time it is occurred refraction. Then reflect internally. First time it occurs refraction, after that internally reflection, and finally refract it again when it comes out of the raindrop. Okay, then finally it again occurred refraction when it comes out of the raindrop. Then this refraction of sunlight and internal reflections is seen in the sky. Okay, in the sky. Then how many colors do you see? I think you have seen 7 colors. How many? 7 colors. You see, then here also, this is also an example of dispersion of white light. Then first time only one color was entered. First time it was entered only one color, that is white light. Then it do refraction. After that internally reflection. When it comes out finally, again it is occurred refraction. Okay, and the sunlight is split into 7 colors, and that 7 colors we see in the sky. Understood? So this is also an example of dispersion of white light. Understood?